Of course, we did discuss these issues in the last General Affairs Council in December, and we also discussed the implementation of the highly controversial national security law, which is something that the European Union has voiced concerns about. I would point out that the foreign ministers of the member states stressed that the political situation had gotten worse in Hong Kong. Serious attacks on freedom of expression, freedom of opinion, and political pluralism. The European Union will continue to implement the conclusions voicing support for political autonomy in Hong Kong, one country, two systems, and we may envisage further measures at a later stage. We'd also point out that we've already started with some measures in July, when we said we would introduce specific measures in response to the imposition of the national security law on Hong Kong. These measures are on asylum policy, immigration policy, visa policy, residence, export of specific and sensitive equipment and technology for end use in Hong Kong, and also university exchanges for students and universities in Hong Kong, and support for civil society in Hong Kong. Of course, we're concerned about the situation, but the European Union and its member states and institutions are very closely following developments, in this case negative developments, and we're currently analysing the situation to see how we might need to react. There are other possibilities open to us, sanctions, for example, but for now, I should remind you that this is a process which would require unanimity in the member states. All member states would have to agree, following an analysis of the situation and developments, and we'll try to come up with proposals for what might be the best way forward. The next, so over and above the ongoing discussions, but the next opportunity for proper discussions at a high level will be the Foreign Affairs Council in just a few weeks, but still in January. Thank you. Any other questions?